All right, today we're working on my son's 1980 CJ7, got an AMC 304. He was driving and it died on him, and so we've been trying to figure out what was going on with it. Felt like timing had jumped, but the timing chain and everything was new. So after checking everything, top dead center, all that stuff, found out that the distributor, when we get to a certain spot when rotating the engine, the distributor would be able to spin the rotor all the way around. So tore it down, and the AMCs use a gear on the cam that's replaceable. And we did replace the distributor with a reman. We're still running the original stuff. We replaced it with a reman, but we did not pull the distributor gear off of the old one and put onto the new one. We just used the one the new one came with. And I really think the material the new one came with may be a different hardness, thickness, different type of material, but it has stripped a spot on that gear. So we would catch in some places, but once we got to a certain spot, we could rotate the distributor behind the rotor. So that's what it was. We have ordered, MSD makes this gear and the distributor gear, and so getting the same type of material, the best we can get, in hopes that we don't have to get back in here and do this again, because all this stuff is new as of, what, a year ago? So anyways, it took a while to figure out what was going on with this thing. But yeah, coughing, backfiring through the exhaust, all that stuff. Anyways, we should have started our video earlier, but we didn't. Anyways, we'll try to update as we put it back together, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's happy to finally figure out what's going on with it, and hope, you know, we'll get it back together. Always get it back together, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
All right.